Hello internet world and welcome to my review of the Google Pixel 6a smartphone. This is a 6.1 inch screened Google Android device, the very latest direct from Google, and it's packed full of great technology. Now it is available in 3 different colours. I've got the chalk white colour here. It's also available in a charcoal colour and also a sage colour, which is like a very light green. It's got a really nice screen on the front, 6.1 inches, under screen fingerprint sensor, which is very accurate. And thanks to the Google Tensor chip inside, the performance is very good indeed. We've also got a great battery that offers up to 24 hours of battery life between charges, and also all of those great Google services built in, and also auto translation, which I believe supports up to 11 languages, which is very good indeed. If we swipe up on the screen, we can see all of the apps that come pre-installed. But of course, because this is an official Google Android device, you can install pretty much any app that you want. Where this smartphone really excels, apart from in overall performance and build quality, is in the cameras. It's got some fantastic cameras in the back and some great technology. Now they might top out at 12 megapixels, but they really do deliver some great quality results, and that's thanks to both the optics but also the processing and the software. So let's unlock this phone again and take a look at some of the photos I've previously taken. This was in less than optimal lighting conditions, and the quality, including the tonal definition of this, is absolutely superb. Even these reflections, it's picked up all of the nuances I wanted to in this photo. And then we've got another one here. Let's just switch this round to landscape orientation. And again, you can see that this is in a dimly lit environment, and we've got really good detail, a little bit of noise creeping in, which is to be expected, but very nice amount of detail. We'll show you a few more. We've got this one here, which was taken behind glass. Very good performance again. Then we've got some more of my Lego helmets just here, and again the detail looks great. Just the overall tonal quality of these photos is fantastic. I mean, look at this. This was more of an action photo. There's a lot of movement going on here, but it captured the detail perfectly. It is a great device for both photography and also for capturing videos. I think what Google have done here with the Pixel 6a is taken all of the best parts out of their higher end flagship smartphones and put it into a really affordable device. And this really does make me ask the question, is do you need to spend more money on a smartphone? We're all feeling the pinch nowadays. There is currently a recession happening, and spending a lot on a new smartphone might be tempting, but you get so much packed into here for a lot less money. We all know you can spend 600, 700, more than £1,000 on a smartphone nowadays, but you're not getting much more in terms of features and capability. Of course, the more expensive smartphones might have a slightly higher resolution camera. They might also have a slightly faster processor, but in day-to-day use, I think something like this makes a lot of sense. This is the Google Pixel 6a, and I think it's absolutely fantastic and great value for money. The build quality is exceptional, and those photos really do show how great this particular smartphone is. So that's it for my review. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description area. And if you enjoyed the video, please do hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in another video very soon.